The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and 2025 is shaping up to be a big year. With new innovations and growing adoption, which cryptocurrencies are set to dominate the market? Let's dive into the top 5 cryptos to watch in 2025. Number 5. Polkadot, or DOT. Polkadot is all about interoperability, allowing different blockchains to communicate and share data. As more projects integrate with its ecosystem, Polkadot could see massive growth. Number 4. Cardano, ADA. With a research-driven approach and a focus on sustainability, Cardano is making waves in the blockchain space. Its continuous upgrades and partnerships could push ADA to new heights. Number 3. Solana, SOL. Known for its ultra-fast transactions and low fees, Solana has become a favorite for developers building decentralized apps. Its expanding ecosystem in DeFi and gaming makes it a strong contender in 2025. Number 2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum remains the backbone of decentralized finance and NFTs. With Ethereum 2.0 bringing scalability and lower energy consumption, ETH continues to be a leader in blockchain technology. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. The king of cryptocurrencies still holds the crown. As a store of value and digital gold, Bitcoin remains the top choice for long-term investors. With growing institutional adoption, BTC could reach new all-time highs in 2025. The crypto market is full of opportunities, but remember, investing comes with risks. Always do your own research and invest wisely. Which cryptocurrency do you think will lead in 2025? Let us know in the comments.